Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, the number of users on Newton. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why does this matter? Well, the number of users on a crypto exchange is a pretty good indicator of its popularity and success. So, if you're thinking about investing in crypto, it's definitely a good idea to do your research and see how many people are already using the platform. But before we get into the numbers, let's talk a little bit about what Newton is. Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2018. It's known for its user-friendly interface and low fees. So, how many users does Newton have? Well, according to their website, they have over 200,000 users. That's a pretty impressive number, and it's definitely a sign that Newton is growing in popularity. Of course, it's important to remember that the number of users is just one factor to consider when choosing a crypto exchange. There are other things to think about, such as security, fees, and features. But if you're looking for a popular and user-friendly crypto exchange, Newton is definitely worth considering. So, there you have it. The number of users on Newton. I hope this information is helpful. And if you have any other questions about Newton or cryptocurrency, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.